In this video, we're going to explore the user interface of the University of the Bahamas Moodle 3.3 LMS platform. As you can see, I'm already logged in and I have navigated to the home page. Down at the bottom of the home page, you can see some courses, and you can get from one to another just by clicking on the icons over here. If you want to see a listing of all of the courses, just click on the courses link up at the top of the page. And back to the site home. If you want to go to your Moodle homepage, just click on the University of the Bahamas icon here. And if you want full screen, just click on the full screen icon there. You can always return to the regular screen just by clicking on it there. I'm going to actually leave it at the full screen. We can work through it through that view. Over here, that's where you can see all of your messages. You can click on this icon to write a new message. See all here will open up a messages page. This gives you notifications, and this gives a variety of choices that you can do with your profile itself. Finally, the chat icon opens up a chat window in the right column, and you can chat with anyone with whom you are a contact or who is in any of the classes with you. Let's go now to the dashboard and see what that's all about. In the dashboard, you have two views, basically. First, the view is your timeline, and that'll give you any upcoming events, assignments, etc., or your courses view, which will show you the courses in which you are registered. And not only will it show present courses, but it'll also show courses in the future and courses that have already been completed. Note also that in your dashboard screen, you have a pull-out drawer to the right, which will give you your calendar and other information about the site that you need to know. I'll just keep that closed over there. Note also in your courses, it gives you a progress bar, a progress circle, I should say, and tells you how far you've progressed with that course. Let's go into the course and just see how you can navigate around the course. So again, you have the navigation bar to the left, and you can link to any of the units just by clicking on those links, and it'll take you straight there. You can also scroll up and down through the course, and that will take you from one place to another. And you can also see any participants who are entered in the course or your grades by clicking on the grades icon. At the top of the screen is the basic information about the course. There'll be a little introduction in the screen up at the top here. There's a very simple one here, welcome to the course. And each of these icons will represent some general message that applies to everyone in the entire course. Once again, you can always open or close the notifications drawer by clicking on this button to the right. Because I'm a teacher, I have this icon here, which will allow me to edit the course. And so this is the menu of items that I have with the gearbox icon. I can edit settings, which will allow me to change some of the settings for the course, turn editing on, which will allow me to add or take away any resources or activities from the course, and a variety of other activities as well. Each of these is an activity or a resource or something else that I can do. The news form is always useful because this is what provides announcements for the class. And you can do that just by clicking on it and adding on an announcement. Note that only teachers are allowed to add announcements to your course. Now, if I scroll down, I get down into the meat of the course, and I just can click on each of these icons, and it will take me to a different activity or resource. For example, if I click on the objectives, it'll just take me directly to the objectives. I can go back, scroll down, and do any of the other icons. So basically, we've just done a very brief overview about the look and feel of the new Moodle interface. showed how you could navigate around. Note, you can always open and close this navigation menu to the left, and that will allow you to get wherever you want to go. If you ever want to go back to the home page once you're in a course, just scroll down to the bottom of the course and you'll see these general navigation buttons appearing. Click Dashboard to get back to your dashboard, or Site Home to get back to the site home. That's the new Moodle user interface. I hope this helps.